Hello traders, here's what we're going to do in this video. We're going to talk about the ScalperX Indicator. This is a trading tool made for fast intraday trading. It helps us catch buy and sell opportunities as early as possible without losing the quality of the signals. Now, we won't be using ScalperX alone. In this video, we're also going to combine it with another powerful indicator, the Quantum Smart tool. This one is a new generation trading indicator that mixes advanced technical methods with trusted trading tools like RSI and Supertrend. So the strategy we're using today will be a combination of both indicators. ScalperX will give us the breakout entry, and Quantum Smart tool will help confirm the direction and manage risk. Let's get started. First, we're going to add the ScalperX indicator. Just go to Indicators, then scroll to Invite Only Scripts, and select ScalperX. If you don't have access yet, you'll need to send a request to the creator before you can use it. Once you have access, just click on it to load it on your chart. Next, we are going to add the Quantum Smart tool indicator. Still under Invite Only Scripts, look for Quantum Smart tool and click to add it as well. Same thing here, you need access before it can appear in that section. After adding both indicators, close the indicator search box. Now let's adjust the settings. For ScalperX, click on the settings icon. Change the range from 5 to 10 and the filter from 2.5 to 5. Click OK. This helps reduce false breakout signals on the chart. Now go to the Quantum Smart tool settings. Set the sensitivity to 4. This also helps to smoothen out the signals and reduce noise. Click OK, and that's all for the setup. Let's move to the breakout trading strategy using the ScalperX plus Smart tool indicator. So this box right here is from the ScalperX indicator. The red triangle means the ScalperX is giving us a sell signal. And the green box you're seeing here also comes from ScalperX, just like the green triangle, which is telling you to take a buy position. That's how the ScalperX indicator works. Now let's talk about the Quantum Smart tool. This one gives us the trend direction, and it does that using this flat teal-colored line on the chart. Here's the key point. We will only take a sell from ScalperX if the Quantum Smart tool is showing a red trend line, which means we are in a bearish trend. So this red triangle from ScalperX becomes valid only when the Smart tool is red. On the other hand, if the Smart tool is still red and ScalperX gives us a green triangle, which is a buy, we are not going to take that trade, because the trend is still bearish. Now for buy trades, it's the same rule, just flipped. If the Smart tool is green, it means we are in a bullish trend. So if ScalperX gives us a green triangle, we can confidently go long. But if ScalperX gives us a red triangle while the Smart tool is green, we will ignore that sell signal. So the rule is simple. If Smart tool is green, only take buy signals from ScalperX. If Smart tool is red, only take sell signals from ScalperX. This way, we're trading in the direction of the trend and avoiding low-quality signals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.